Hey guys, this is Adam Vincent for MIU. This is 1208 is our term. Project 1 reflection. Just start off a little bit. A couple of things that went well for me was really just expanding on the design of my app, the index page. I was kind of wondering where that was going to go, and excited to keep moving along in this and continue building this app the way that it needs to be built. I like, real happy with my work so far. The couple things that I had problems with was got into my JavaScript code and changed a couple of things, and then had to change them back, namely that $sign thing in the get elements function. I originally had an A listed. Went back after looking at some other stuff, some other code from different pages and things like that, and saw how different things worked, and went through and put my little $sign through there. Well, then Robin tells us in Wimba that we had to change that. So I had to go back and change it again. This time I didn't catch all of them, so I had a couple of things that weren't working, and it was driving me nuts trying to go through my code, trying to figure it all out. So, but finally did. Everything works, well, for the most part. Search stuff doesn't work yet, but it will next week. So anyway, this particular app relates to my life. I'm building this pretty much for myself. I'm real ADD and forget a lot of things that my wife tells me to do. My chores, things that I need to do around the house, or projects for the family, whatever. A lot of times I forget that kind of stuff, and I'm in my own little world. So I'm building this for that. It's a personal reminder for myself, and hopefully in the future continue to build apps that are useful for people. And this is what this course is all about. It's why I'm here. So hopefully I can eventually turn this into a full app and sell it in the future. So now we're going to go over, take a look at the app, and talk about my justification and that kind of stuff. Alright, so this is my app showing on the simulator, on the iOS simulator. Added in the little picture with my little guy. I actually found him on a website and cut it out because I liked it, and put it in my. He just kind of fit the profile for my app. That's the reason I use that. It's just a little handyman, got stuff to do, And this is the best tool in your toolbox. You'll never forget another chore. This is kind of the premise of why I'm writing this app. And got my little call to action, my add a chore button, which of course goes along and goes into my form. Here's my form in all of its glory. It works. Display everything. Actually, we're going to clear it real quick, and I'm going to display my JSON data for you. Here is my list, long 20 list of dummy data patterns. So it all works. You go through, you can edit it, change it from an inside to an outside, whatever you want to do to it. Edit the chore. See, there's my verification. Got to have a date for it. I'm going to do this by tomorrow. So now my chore is saved. So anyway, going back to my index page. Sorry, I jumped. The next step I did was the search chores. This allows you to search a chore by whatever term that you want to use, whatever term's in there. Say it's mow the lawn or whatever. It'll search it. Right now it doesn't work, but hopefully it will next week. And I had to add a couple of new categories to fit the requirements. So making phone calls and paying bills. Those kind of seem like little standalone tasks there, and doesn't fit the inside, outside, or errands. So that's why I created those buttons the way that I did. But I like the vertical stack feature, and I want to keep everything in line. So I got the search chores, and then I got a browse chores by type title, and got my little buttons that all lead right now to my little under construction page. But for now, that's what I got. This is my app. As you can see, this is my refactoring of my HTML. Not much to it. So you guys can check it out on my server or on the GitHub links. I'll put a link to my server up on the in my post where I put the video, so you guys can check it out. Hope you have a great day, and good luck in the course, everybody.